Class I am going to discuss about bubbled NAND gate and NOR gate. So previous video we discussed the basic gate and XOR gate. If you needed, kindly refer the video now. We move on the session. The expression is A dot B the whole bar. A dot B the whole bar. So it's a simple Boolean expression for this NAND gate. So now I add the bubble in A or B terminal. So any one of the terminal. So case 1. Add bubble in any one of input terminal. Here let me introduce the bubble in A terminal and another input is B directly connect to NAND gate. The corresponding output is Y. So after bubble you will get A bar. So the actual expression of NAND gate is A dot B the whole bar. So instead of A, here you just substitute A bar. So A bar dot B the whole bar. So it's a response of bubbled NAND gate. Then case 2. If I add bubbles at both the input terminals A and B. If I add bubbles at both the terminals, so here input is A and B, output is Y. So after bubble you will get A bar, here you will get B bar. The actual expression of NAND gate is A dot B the whole bar. You just substitute these two inputs instead of A and B. So here A bar dot B bar the whole bar. You just apply the De Morgan's theorem here. So break the bar, change the sign. A double bar plus B double bar. Just cancel these two bars. Finally you get A plus B. So this bubbled NAND gate is replaced by OR gate. NAND gate is replaced by OR gate. So this bubbled NAND gate is replaced by OR gate. So here also you apply the De Morgan's theorem, break the bar, change the sign. So A double bar plus B bar. So these two bar cancel. So finally you get A plus B bar. So it's a expression for single bubbled input NAND gate. So then come to NOR gate. So it's a NOR gate symbol. It has a two input A and B. Y is the output. The corresponding Boolean expression is A plus B the whole bar. So A plus B the whole bar is the Boolean expression for NOR gate. So here also I introduce the bubble at any one of the input terminal. So it's a case 1. Let me introduce the bubble at A input. Another input B is directly connected to NOR gate. So A and B are the input of NOR gate. Y is the output. So after bubble you will get the value A bar. So actual expression is A plus B the whole bar. So instead of A, here the input is A bar. Just substitute the value A bar plus B the whole bar. So you apply the De Morgan's theorem, break the bar, change the sign. A double bar dot B bar. So this bar cancel. You will get the result A dot B bar. So it's a response of single bubbled input NOR gate. Response is A dot B bar. Then come to case 2. Here I introduce the bubble at both the inputs A and B. A and B are the input. Y is the output. Actual Boolean expression A plus B bar. So after bubble you will get A bar here you will get B bar. So this input value substitute in the expression. So A bar plus B bar the whole bar. Apply the De Morgan's theorem. Break the bar, change the sign. A double bar dot B double bar. So this bar cancel. So final expression A dot B. So this bubbled input NOR gate, bubbled input NOR gate replaced by AND gate. So this bubbled input NOR gate is replaced by AND gate. So I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us with a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.